Hello my friends, welcome to Christmas in July Swap 2023. As I'm getting into this, I want to be sure to tell you that our co-hosts of this swap are Carol at Crinkled Path, Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and Pam of Pam Van E Journal Maker. We are Secret Santas actually, and we are sending to our partner 3 envelopes. And this is my first envelope. As I'm opening this, I want to share with you the list of participants of Christmas in July Swap 2023. We have Creators Call, Dolores J. Rush, Not Too Shabby Chic. I'm going to pause this list for just a second so I can talk about the packaging, but we'll come back to it. We have a little note on here made from a cute little doily, and it says, Happy Christmas in July, Jovi. And it is wrapped in a doily, which I love. That's so pretty. And we have some beautiful pink ribbon that I can use in a future project. Now let's get back to our list of collaborators. Artist Silver Moon Creations, Texas Sweet Tea Treasures, The Paper Monkey, Jody Lee Creations, Crafter Sally by Heather C., Kulu Crafts Corner, My Paper Journey, and Paper Confessions with Cara Mia. Ah, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love the way that this is wrapped. All right, let me open these up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I sent my package out. I feel completely inadequate now. Oh man, I should have leveled up my game when I sent mine out. This is so beautiful. This is the first time I've done this swap. So if they invite me to do it next year, then I'll know I need to pull out all the stops. This is so beautiful. I know it's not a competition, and I'm not looking at it like that, you guys. I want you to know that. I'm not looking at it like that at all. But you know, when we do these things, we learn. And yeah, this is just so very lovely. All right, and I do believe that our first package is to contain 3 tags. Oh my gosh, this is done so beautifully. I don't even want to try to undo. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. But okay, here we go. This is what we're gonna do. I'm cutting this here very carefully with this cute little razor thing that I have. Actually, I'm gonna cut it here on the side because that seems like a place where I could sort of get into this. Okay, so, and I might just have to tear. Let's take a look, guys. Okay, we're in this together, right? I always say that when I'm doing something like this. I'm like, okay, we're in this together. I want to tell you what I'm gonna do. Before I get to the tag that's inside, I can take this paper and tear around this and then reuse this, because look how beautifully done it is. I mean, this is just stunning. Thank you, whoever is my Secret Santa. Thank you so much. Already a gorgeous presentation. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's so pretty. Look at this tag. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's break this down. We have a bow and a little bit of lace right here on top of this tag with this pretty lavender. Look at this pretty lavender paper. Love it. And then there's a tag on a tag. So we've got this, which pops right out of here. Don't you love it so much? Oh, I do. And then there's lace down here, and there's a little flower with a little pearl in it. Oh, this is so beautiful. And then when we flip it over, this feels like tissue paper. It might not be. This might be, this might be hand-dyed paper. So it's either hand-dyed paper or tissue paper. It feels lovely. It looks lovely. We have our sort of pink candy cane string here, and then we have lace, and then satin ribbon, and then 3 purple flowers. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Okay, let's go ahead and move this out of the way, and we'll get to package number 2. Now let's take a little look at this. This is a, I always want to call them die cuts, but they're actually Are they? No, it's the stuff that chipboard. And then this is a die cut, so beautiful. I love the tulle wrapped around, I don't know if this is actually tulle, it's like this fabric that, I don't know, it's really cool. Anyway, hopefully you can see it really good, I'm hoping. And this says eggnog, that's so cute. All right, let's see how I can get into this one while being able to preserve it. So I see there's something here and I don't want to cut that. So I'm gonna try to be really gentle and just get this top layer here. But here's what we can do is I'm gonna pull this out from here. I just wanna preserve this, it's so pretty. And I have a Christmas journal I'm working on right now. So what if I could use this in it? Wouldn't that be wonderful? So that's gonna be what I'm gonna try to do. Look at this. Oh, just so you guys know, okay, so it's 3 tags, but not everything has to be Christmas themed, just so that you know. For this collaboration, not everything has to be Christmas. Look at this stunning tag. So we've got that page, it's been inked all the way around and torn, I love that. Perhaps maybe with a ruler, I'm not sure. And then a beautiful, oh, there's 2 layers actually of some die cuts there. And then we've got our fabric here and some lace that goes around that's all sort of creamy color. And this one's actually got some pink in it. She might have dyed that. That's really cool looking. We've got our bee up here. Look at the beautiful, this is green, but there's other colors in it and it's just beautiful. Oh, it looks like even maybe she colored that green herself. Ah, I can't wait to watch the video if she did a video on how she made that. So nice. And then here's the back. Beautiful writing space on it. Nice thick tag. Got some good, nice cardboard under there. This is lovely. Oh my goodness. Thank you. This is just so fun. So fun. All right, this I should be able to reuse. So I'm gonna put it over here in my pile of Christmas stuff that I have going on and see if I can, you know, kind of incorporate that. And then look at this. We've got more sparkly tissue paper and it is wrapped with this, well, this looks like washi tape and then like some ribbon on top of it. And then this is a beautiful Christmassy, I'm not even sure, this feeling, it almost feels like felt, but certainly it would be finer than felt. But that's what it feels like. I like the feeling of it. It's like soft and fuzzy. And then we have a beautiful die cut or piece from a scrapbook pack perhaps. And then this great, the stuff again that pops up. Which I never can remember the name of. Anyway, I said it a few minutes ago and you guys know what I'm talking about. Topped off with this pretty red star. All right, let's see how carefully I can get into this. We are preserving these gorgeous things here. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I love this. I really feel inadequate. But in a great way because this is just so beautiful and I love it and I'm really, really inspired. I really am. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to meet my secret Santa and know who it is so that I can thank her for inspiring me to make beautiful things. So we've got our tag and it's a tag and a tag and I love how this is popped up. Look how that's popped up, you guys. And it says, be merry, December 25th, Christmas Day. Beautiful star on top, like a handle for it. That's really nice. It's made out of a piece of wood and it's got pretty shiny things on it. I forget, embossing it looks like maybe. And it's in pink. I love it. And then a little star in the center. Oh my goodness. And beautiful writing space here. And then this that hangs down, topped off with some of this trim. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then here's the tag in the tag. And this has got some music paper, and this looks like maybe some napkin that was decoupage, but maybe not, might have been paper. And then we have several layers. We have our little present with the bow and the candy cane. We have some lace right here. and then some paper, and then this little candy cane, and then there's even the addition of this gold metallic circle thing here. Oh, look at the back, it's so cute. So we have plaid, which I love, and then there's this and the gifts, and then this I can't even. I love it so much. It's so great. Oh my goodness. Well, this was absolutely a thrill. So thank you to my Secret Santa. This was just an absolute blast. I absolutely love it. Friends, we'll have 2 more videos coming up, 1 each week till the end of the month. I think that's how it's gonna go. This is Christmas in July Swap 2023. So be sure to check out all of the collaborators and see what they received from their Secret Santa. Thanks for watching. See you soon.